At TK Style, we pride ourselves on our strong track record of working with international brands such as Marc Jacobs, Isabel Marant, Sandro, Kate Spade, Tory Burch, and many others. Our high-quality clothing precisely meets the needs of each brand. Are you a leader in renewable energy technology? Are you committed to helping businesses reduce their carbon footprint? TK Style is looking for a reliable and innovative partner or supplier to help us achieve our sustainability goals. TK Style is part of a group of companies Textile Contact. TK Style specialize in high-quality men's and women's clothing, including shoulder and waistwear, outerwear, and corporate clothing. Each product is made to our clients' exact specifications. We take pride in fulfilling complex and intricate orders with a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. We're always striving to improve our production technology and upgrade our employees' skills to ensure the highest level of quality. But we know that we need to do more to reduce our carbon footprint and promote sustainability in our industry. That's why we're looking for a partner who shares our values and is committed to reducing energy consumption. Whether you're involved in solar power, wind energy, or any other renewable energy technology, we want to hear from you. Join us in our journey towards a more sustainable future. Together we can make a positive impact on the world.